In this video, I'm going to show you how to install these window deflectors on this Chevy Silverado 2500. We're working with the crew cab, and I'm only going to show you one window because the process applies exactly the same to all the other ones. Let's get started. The first step you want to do is to clean this surface properly with some waxing grease remover, some sort of light duty degreaser, so that obviously you don't want to damage the paint, but you do want to get any dirt, debris, and especially wax off of the vehicle if it's already waxed, or any sort of protectant coating that you have on here, so that you can actually get the double-sided tape off of these to stick. Then it's as simple as finding the right fit for your particular window. In this case, we want this one right here. This is going to fit on the driver's side front window. You can see the logo right on the back here. You don't want the logo on the front, even though it might seem like it fits. The front actually has this little notch here. That's for the mirror, right where the mirror meets the door. So you want that lined up. I have my surface prepped already. I'm going to peel off the double-sided tape, and then very carefully, I'm going to stick it on here. You only get one chance with this, because once it sticks, the glue will have to be ripped up to remove this. Place it on the window, or on the door, around the window, just like so. Press it down to make sure that it's fully glued on here, all the way from the one end to the other. And that's it. Once it's on, repeat the process 3 more times, and all your windows should have this nice wind deflector installed.